Get it, get it, get it. You got it?
No, Tomo has it.
Oh, Tomo got it? Get
Oh,
it. Tomo, bring it. Bring it. Come on. Try to get it. Leave it, Tomo. Leave it. Let Matthew get it. Leave it. Drop it, Tomo. He's not.
Stay. What? I got him. Oh, dang it. Stay. 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 Get down. Stay. 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 Oh, God. I got him, but he ran. Stay. Oh, dang it. Stay, stay, stay. Stay.
You can't stay and then scare him because he's not going to stay again.
What?
Alright, sit down, Matthew. Tomo, sit down. Don't move. Cause you're going to confuse him. You're going to confuse him. Leave him alone, Matthew. Tomo, come. Tomo. Matthew, I say don't confuse him. Leave him alone. Tomo, come. Tomo, come. Thank you. Okay. Ready? Get it, Matthew. Hey, Tommy, you're too fast for Matthew. You understand that? You're too fast. Too fast. Put your hand out. Don't scare him. Just put it out and go to him and say, drop it.
Drop it.
Take it. Good. Okay. One more try. Try not to let him get it, okay? We have to pass it to each other 3 times for us to win, otherwise Tomo wins. 1.
2.
No, that's only 1. 1.5. 2. Oh, that was a bad throw, bro.
Let's do it for all over.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it.
Dang it.